learners, and today our topic is adjective. So let's get started. Adjectives are words that are used to describe what kind of nouns and pronouns and to quantify how much of and identify them. For example, he was wearing a blue shirt. Here, blue is an adjective, as it is describing the noun shirt by answering the question, what kind of shirt? There are 5 categories of adjectives. Number 1, adjectives of quality. These adjectives are used to describe the nature of a noun. They give an idea about the characteristics of the noun by answering the question, what kind? Honest, kind, large, bulky, beautiful, ugly, etc. For example, New Delhi is a large city with many historical monuments. Number 2, adjectives of quantity. These adjectives help to show the amount or the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun. All, half, many, few, little, enough, great, etc. For example, there's enough water in the jug. Number 3, adjectives of number. These adjectives are used to show the number of nouns and the place in an order. 1, 2, 20, 33, etc. First, second, third, seventh, etc. Some, many, few, any, several, all, etc. For example, I met her several times. Here, talk about how many times. The answer comes several. Number 4, demonstrative adjectives. These adjectives are used to point out or indicate a particular noun or pronoun using the adjectives. This, that, these, and those. For example, that bag belongs to Neil. Number 5, interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used to ask questions about noun or in relation to nouns. They are where, what, which, and whose. For example, where did he say he was going? With this, I'm going to show you now the opposite of adjectives, meaning we're going to see different words of adjectives along with the opposites. For example, let's say young and old and so on. Share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos in the future. Till then, keep learning and thank you so much for watching my videos.